Hello and welcome. My name is Paul Gentili, creator and illustrator of the game Baetylus Circle of Six. Baetylus Circle of Six is essentially a three-dimensional chess match with two opposing sides, each consisting of 5 characters. Characters possess different movement rates, attack, defense, and health levels, along with natural passive abilities and special abilities that can be activated after drawing a proper card. The end goal is to eliminate each character of the opposing side. Baetylus is a game driven by the uniqueness of its characters. In order to emerge victorious, it is vital to possess an intimate knowledge of each character on the field, your own as well as those opposing you. To help with this, character sheets and the rulebook with its accompanying glossary can be accessed by any player at any time during gameplay.
It is also very team-driven. Each character's uniqueness comes with a price, and in order to capitalize on each other's strengths as well as compensate for any weaknesses, it is important to assemble a well-balanced team and to pair characters whose abilities can directly play off one another. Unless agreed upon earlier, with each side having already assembled a team of their favorite characters, characters will be chosen in a schoolyard-style pick, taking turns choosing the members of a team. Doing so allows fairness, but also a way for players to counteract opposing characters. For example, some characters possess passive strengths and weaknesses dependent upon their race or creature type. Demons receive damage from salt and salt water, undead from silver, fairies iron, and vampires light, silver, and fire. Having a character with weapons possessing those attributes, or with abilities able to exploit those weaknesses, will gain advantage in each game. Once characters have been chosen, cards pertinent to those characters are given to the side controlling them. The cards are shuffled and will be randomly drawn during the course of the game. Once the cards have formed a deck for each opposing side, the exordium begins. This involves taking turns placing your characters anywhere upon the game field, so long as you remain 8 spaces from an allied character and 5 spaces from an opposing character. The choice of character placement will undoubtedly change the course of any game. The terrain can both be used for offensive and defensive positioning, and just as in real life, higher ground provides a boost to both offense and defense while attacking. There are also certain physical and even chemical attributes to the gaming field. Upon this particular board, we have 3 different substances. There's the stone of the flooring and walls, the wood of the docks, and the salt water lying between and beneath. The water acts as a hindrance to most players at best, reducing their movement rates, but since it is salt water, for demon characters, it actively damages them. For one character in particular, Shakato, the Stygian mermaid, it acts as a pathway she alone can travel with ease. The stone acts as solid ground, barriers in the form of walls, and for Rin, the dwarven stonecutter, a medium through which his magic works. The wooden docks we treat as stone for most purposes, to help simplify the game for now. After the exordium, the initial placement of characters, the real action begins, starting with round 1. Each round is broken into 2 moments, 1 moment for each opposing side that is further broken into 2 turns for each side. A side may consist of 1 player, or a team of 2 to 5 players. The players of a team may talk to one another secretly if desired, and have the freedom to plan out and execute moves however they wish while adhering to the rules set for each moment. During a moment, an opposing side first draws a card and may play a total of 2 characters, 1 for each turn. They may move these 2 characters, 1 character moving once the first turn, then the second character moving once in the second turn, but can attack and use a card only once in that entire moment. Cards are specific to a character. The description designates which character the card belongs to, granting that character a special ability or item. Most abilities and items only exist for that turn, but some stick around for a few turns or rounds, and some are even permanent, existing until the game has ended. The game ends when an opposing side's characters have been eliminated.